Hi, welcome back. Before we make any more changes to your iBooked account, let's have a brief look at how iBooked works and what you need to do before you start accepting appointments online. Here's a simple overview of how the appointment booking service works. Clinics. Appointments are grouped within something called a clinic. Think of a clinic as a schedule for a particular day or part of a day, with set time slots available for people to book. The clinic also specifies what type of service is being offered. For example, optometry, dentist, etc. This allows people to filter your appointments by the category of service they are looking for. Consultant. Each clinic has a consultant assigned to it. This consultant is the person who will meet with clients during each appointment slot. Types of appointments. Every clinic needs to have at least one type of appointment. Appointment types help explain what kind of meeting or service the consultant is offering. For example, it might be an eye exam or a contact lens check. More appointment details. Each type of appointment has a title, and it can also have a description. The description lets people know what kind of service they'll get, along with important information such as what to expect, rules for booking, or how to cancel. Where services happen. Each appointment type is linked to a store, which usually means the physical location or business where the service takes place. You can link an appointment type to more than one store if you have multiple locations. Service charges. To book an appointment online, each type of appointment must have a charge associated with it. This is the fee or product you pay for the service, and its name usually matches the appointment type. Payment provider. In order to be able to accept payments online, you will need to set up an account with our payment provider partner, Stripe. Verify your business address. The final thing before you can accept online appointment booking is to verify your business address with the verification code sent to you by post. In short, you choose a clinic, a date and time slot, select your appointment type, see the fee, and book your appointment at a certain location with a specific consultant. Everything is organized so you know exactly what you're booking and what to expect.